So hello guys, today I am going to teach you basic server configuration uh, for our virtual environment. So let's get started. Continuing with our last setup in setting up Windows Server 2016 for our virtual machine, we will continue with that. Enter the set password. I want you first to click first here. Yes. And after that, I want you to click manage player, manage, and then install VMware tools. This allows us to install some tools for our virtual environment. Click yes. Click here. And I want you to click view files in order for us to set up our VMware tools. Click this one. Click next. Everything in the VMware tool setup is already in default, so I just want you to click next. Click install, and let's just wait for it to be done. Click finish. So uh, let's click restart to fully set up our VMware tools. Let's just wait. I want you to click this one in order for us to log in our virtual machine. And then let's wait for the server manager. And then after that, I want you to click local server. Click the IPv4 address assigned by DHCP IPv6 enabled. Click this one, click properties, and then I want you to disable Internet Protocol version 6 since we will be using this one. And then I want you to click here, and then I want you to use this one. So in our host server, we are using 192.168.0.1, but in our environment we will be using different so that it will not be conflicted here. And then in our default gateway is 192.168.0.1, and then I want you to prefer DNS 0, 1. So that's it, guys. That's it for our basic server configuration part 1.